everyone. Welcome back to Grow Your English Daily. I'm Emily, and I'm so happy to be here with all of you.
And I'm John, your English teacher. It's great to have you joining us again. Emily, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, John. Thanks for asking. You know, it makes me think about our topic today. Do you ever feel like you want to talk more with your English-speaking friends, but sometimes you just don't know how to start or what to say?
Absolutely, Emily. That's a super common feeling for English learners, especially at the A1, A2 level. It's like you have all these thoughts, but getting them out in a natural, friendly way can be tricky. And that's exactly what we're going to practice today. Talking with a friend, casual chat practice.
Yes, today we'll learn simple ways to start conversations, ask about your friend's day, share your own news, and even make plans. It's all about building confidence in those everyday chats. Before we jump in, please remember to hit that like button, leave a comment with your favorite new phrase, share this episode with a friend, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our English lessons.
That's right. Your support helps us grow. So let's start with the very beginning. Greetings. How do we say hello to a friend in a casual way?
Well, the classic, "Hi, how are you?" is always good, right? But sometimes I hear people say, "Hey," or "What's up?" Are those good for beginners?
Those are excellent, Emily. Hey is super casual and friendly. What's up is also very common. A simple hey there works too. Remember, for a casual chat, you don't need to be super formal. Try saying hey with a smile. It changes everything.
Okay, so hey, hi, what's up? Got it. After we say hello, what's a good next step to keep the conversation going?
Great question. The next natural step is often to ask about their day or how they are doing. Instead of just, how are you, which can sometimes lead to a short, I'm fine, try something a bit more open. For example, how was your day? Or how's your week going?
Oh, I see. So, how was your day asks about the past, and how's your week going asks about the present. That gives more room for a longer answer. What if I want to ask if anything new happened?
Perfect. You could say, anything new? Or what have you been up to? These phrases invite your friend to share recent news or activities. And remember, it's a conversation. So when they tell you something, you can say, oh, really? Or that's interesting.
Okay, what have you been up to? I like that one. It sounds very natural. So, once they share something, how do I share about myself without just waiting for them to ask me?
That's a key part of a two-way conversation. You can connect it to what they said. For instance, if they say, my day was busy, I had a big meeting, you could say, oh, I understand. My day was busy too, but in a good way. I started reading a new book. Or if they ask you, how about you? You can tell them a little bit about your day.
That makes sense. It's like a tennis match, back and forth. What if I want to talk about something I enjoy, like a hobby?
Exactly. You can ask your friend, do you have any hobbies? Or, what do you like to do in your free time? And then you can share your own. I really like playing guitar, or I enjoy cooking new recipes.
So it's like, do you like X? And then, I like Y. Simple and clear. What about sharing opinions or showing that I agree or disagree in a polite way?
Very important for natural conversation. For agreement, you can say, yeah, me too, or I totally agree, or that's so true. For polite disagreement, you could say, oh, really? I actually think, or, I see your point, but I feel. No need to be dramatic. Just state your thought kindly.
Those are great phrases. So, yeah, me too, and I totally agree for agreeing, and oh, really, I think for disagreeing politely. What if we want to make plans together? How can I suggest meeting up?
Ah, making plans. This is where you can use phrases like, Do you want to grab coffee sometime? Or how about we meet up for lunch next week? Or are you free on Saturday? If they say yes, you can decide on the when and where. If they say no, just say, no worries, maybe another time.
I like do you want to grab coffee sometime? It's casual and not too much pressure. What if I want to invite them to do something specific, like do you want to watch a movie?
Perfect. You can also say, how about we go for a walk? Or would you like to play some video games? Just remember to ask with a friendly tone. Now, let's try a quick example conversation. I'll start. Ready?
Ready, let's do it.
Hey, Emily, what's up? How was your day?
Hey, John, not much. Just finished work. My day was pretty good, a bit busy. How about yours? Anything new?
Oh, really? Mine was busy too, but I had a nice lunch with a friend. We talked about a new movie coming out. Have you heard about it?
Oh, no, I haven't. What movie is it? I love movies. What kind of movies do you like?
Me too. I love action movies, but sometimes a good comedy is nice too. What about you? What are your favorite types of movies?
Me too. I love action movies, but I also really like documentaries. They teach me new things. So, for this new comedy, do you want to maybe grab coffee sometime next week and talk more about it? Or maybe even go see it?
That sounds great, Emily. I'd love to grab coffee. How about Tuesday afternoon? Are you free then?
Tuesday afternoon. Yes, I think so. Let me check my calendar quickly. Yes, I am free. Perfect.
Awesome. We can decide on the place then. See you Tuesday.
See you then, John. That was a good practice.
It was. You see how simple it can be, even with just basic phrases. The key is to listen to your friend and try to respond using the new words and phrases you know.
Yes, I really felt like I was talking to a friend. It felt natural. And what about when it's time to say goodbye?
Good point. For closing a conversation, simple is best. You can say, see you later, or talk soon, or have a good one.
Okay, see you later, talk soon, have a good one. These are all great for beginners. It's so helpful to have these phrases ready.
Definitely. And a few general tips for beginners. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes them. Focus on communicating your message. Use simple words you know well. And listen carefully to your friend.
Those are fantastic tips, John. I always tell myself not to worry too much about perfection. Just try to speak. Practice makes progress.
Exactly, Emily. Every conversation is a chance to learn and grow. So let's quickly recap some of the phrases we learned today.
For greetings, hey, what's up? Hi, how are you? For asking about their day, how was your day? How's your week going? What have you been up to?
To talk about hobbies, what do you like to do in your free time? Or, I enjoy hobby. For agreement, yeah, me too. Or, I totally agree. For polite disagreement, oh, really, I think.
And for making plans. Do you want to grab coffee sometime? Or how about we meet up for lunch? And for goodbyes, see you later, talk soon, have a good one.
That's right. Remember these, practice them, and you'll be chatting with your friends in English with much more confidence.
That's all for today's episode of Grow Your English Daily. We hope you feel more ready to have those casual chats with your friends.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Your English journey is just beginning.
Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time on Grow Your English Daily.
Bye, everyone.